Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we have a device AYANEO KUN. AYANEO CEO Uncle Tail conducted an online live broadcast, not only sharing the long-awaited product information about AYANEO KUN for many players, but also starting a surprise pre-order event at the same time, giving super value benefits to players who want to buy this high-end top-notch large screen and AMD 7840U CPU handheld. AYANEO KUN, probably the most powerful Windows handheld ever. As a large-screen handheld that is positioned as a top flagship, AYANEO KUN has unprecedented advanced features of a flagship Windows handheld. It integrates the most cutting-edge technology and advanced materials and craftsmanship. We created the best of 8 for AYANEO KUN, and the shock it brings is absolutely beyond imagination. AYANEO KUN, which is positioned as a large-screen handheld, uses an 8.4 2.5K resolution IPS original color screen. This screen not only has the excellent color performance of AYANEO handhelds as always, but also has industry-leading high brightness performance. It can ensure clear and bright screen visibility in various indoor and outdoor scenarios. In addition, the 8.4 screen is the golden choice for balancing body size, weight, and grip. AYANEO KUN has a larger screen size than mainstream 7 handhelds in a similar volume. With a super large screen, excellent screen color, and industry-leading high brightness performance, AYANEO KUN will bring extremely shocking visual impact to players. Not only that, we have optimized the use experience of large-screen handhelds in all aspects. The weight of the body is evenly distributed, bringing just the right grip of the whole machine. The new ergonomic grip specially designed for large-sized bodies truly does not lose the gripping experience of traditional large handles, and feels first-class. Inspired by Chinese ink painting and traditional colors, we designed 3 elegant colors for AYANEO KUN: silver wing, black feather, and white clothes, and adopt a beautiful design that surpasses traditional large-screen handhelds. Despite having a large-sized body, KUN still maintains an exquisite appearance ahead of its peers, which is not as beautiful as a large-screen handheld, changing the public stereotype of large-sized handhelds. As a top flagship handheld with a large screen, AYANEO KUN will undoubtedly be equipped with the brand new AMD Ryzen 7 and 7840U flagship processor, living up to the flagship name. After continuous joint optimization of software and hardware, AYANEO KUN even has the ability to release performance beyond some PCs as a handheld, and is a real handheld performance monster. Unbelievably amazing performance release, derived from the newly designed super cooling system. We make full use of KUN's relatively more ample body space to create a KUNPing cooling system beyond imagination. The larger 3-copper tube structure and PC-level large fan bring greatly improved heat exchange efficiency, achieving the current Windows handheld's far-leading cooling capacity. Long battery life with enough peace of mind. Thanks to the larger space brought by the large-sized body, we equip AYANEO KUN with a super large concentrated battery up to 75 watts and which may be the largest battery in the history of Windows handhelds, which is comparable to or even surpasses the battery capacity of many PCs. With the dual support of the AMD Ryzen 7 and 7840U flagship processor with outstanding energy efficiency and continuous optimization of peripheral power consumption, AYANEO KUN will have an unimaginably long battery life.